Hey everyone, I'm gonna walk you through today's assignment. It's gonna be a little bit like yesterday. We did the double number lines. Today we're gonna deal with the multiple variables, and we're not gonna see them in the double number line format. We're gonna see them on the same graph. First question says Ty and Jathan both work as instructors for youth soccer. The equation shown models the total amount T in dollars that Ty charges to instruct K kids. So this is an equation because it has an equal sign. T is going to represent how much money Ty is going to make, $5 per kid. Okay. The table shows the total amount J in dollars that Jayton charges to instruct youth kids in soccer. He charges the same amount per kid, not the same amount as Ty. He's just consistent. If he has one kid, it's a certain amount. Two kids would be doubling that amount. Three kids would be tripling that amount, and so forth. Complete the table to show the amount that each person charges to instruct K kids. You can do your work right in the table. You each have your own copy of this. So let's start with Ty. If we use Ty's equation and we plug in the 1 for the K, which represents the kids, Ty would be making $5 because 5 times 1 gives you 5. If he has two kids, we plug in the 2. 5 times 2 would give you $10 and so forth. You should be pretty good there. By the way, disregard the point totals here. I'm not going to use this as I grade these today. I'm going to do a different method of scoring this assignment for you guys. Okay, so you're going to fill out the Ty column here. Now for Jathan, some of the work's already done for you. For one kid, it's $7.25. And for three kids, it's $21.75. Now remember up here I said he charges the same amount per kid. So if he charges $7.25 for one kid, he's going to charge $7.25 and $7.25 for two kids. So basically you're doubling it. And then for three kids, you're tripling it. And then for four kids, and so forth, okay? So you're going to try to write an equation for how much Jathan charges. It's going to be really similar to Ty's, except instead of a T, it's going to be a J. And Jathan is not charging $5 per kid. He's charging $7.25 per kid. So I really want to see what you come up with there as you guys try to write that equation. Okay, the next couple are very similar to questions that we've done in Study Island. I want you to try these on your own. I want you to read number 2, and the multiple variables are labeled for you. This one says each light panel holds 2 light bulbs. So the light panels are across the x-axis and the light bulbs are across the y. So the first thing you're looking for is one light panel matching up to 2 light bulbs. So if you look at y as an answer, that doesn't work because one light panel does not match up to 2 light bulbs. Only one of them will. And the next one, Vanessa's packing sack lunches for a homeless shelter. Each sack lunch has 3 sandwiches in it. So if you're at 1 sack lunch, you should be at 3 sandwiches. So right away, W, the first one, doesn't work. So see which one has 1 lunch with 3 sandwiches. And then finally, 4 and 5 are problems we've done before. You're going to write equations, so they must have an equal sign, and you're going to use the variables. We're looking for a pattern to go from A to B, okay, or B to A in this case, and it needs to be consistent. So you can either use like division to go from A to B or multiplication to go from B to A, but make sure you put the equal sign and the variables in your equation. And then finally, this one's a bit of a challenge. Again, disregard all the point totals here because I'm going to score this differently today. This one's a little tricky. You're going to write an equation that describes the relationship between x and y. I'm going to give you a hint. I would try to find something you can multiply by x to get you close to y, and then figure out if you need to add or subtract. I will also tell you this is a 2-step equation. So good luck with that. Do great on this assignment. Everyone is doing a terrific job. Just keep up the great work. Thank you.